Fifth grade Internet lesson 15.5 part 2. So what are we going to do? Regular or regular? Okay. All right, so 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Mark off our one spot. Then we put a 0 because we're moving to the 10 spot. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is
32.
Put the 2, carry the 3. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 3 is 19. And then add 2, 16, carry the 1, 7, 9, 1. How many decimal places do we have on the top? 1. How many decimal places do we have on the bottom? None. So we're just moving it over 1 time. So my answer is 1,976 and 2 tenths. Critique reasoning. Anton multiplies 4 and 78 hundredths by 35 and says the product is 16 and 73 hundredths. How do you know Anton is incorrect? What is the correct answer? So we know he's incorrect because one of our factors is already larger than what they got as actual answer, right? Okay, so we know that's why, so we'll just say we wrote that down. Okay, and then let's actually find it. So 4 and 78 hundredths times 35. So 5 times 8 is, so put a 0, carry the 4. 5 times 7 is, 4 is, carry the 3. 5 times 4 is, plus 3 is, mark off the 3, mark off the 4, mark off the 5, and put a 0. 3 times 8 is 4, carry the 2. 3 times 7 is, plus 2 is 2. 3 times 4 is, plus 2 is 0, 3, 1, 7, 6, 1. And how many decimal places? 2. So our answer is 30 hundredths. So basically, he forgot to put he didn't put his place sign in the right spot, correct? Okay. On your own, use the table for studying tonight. The table shows the prices for different items at a used bookstore. On Monday, the store sells 28 hardback books. How much does the store earn? So 28 hardback. How much is a hardback book? $5.40. So we're going to take that times 28. Okay, so 8 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8 is, 2 carry 3. 8 times 5 is, plus 3 is. Mark off the 3, mark off the 8, and put a 0. 2 times 0 is, 2 times 4 is, 2 times 5 is, and then add. So 0, 2, 11, carry the 1, 5, 1. How many decimal places? 2. So they earned $151.20. On Tuesday, the store sells 63 paperback books and 34 magazines. How much do they earn? So is this a two-step problem? Yep. So 63 paperback, 34 magazines, and then they want to know how much they earn, right? So paperbacks cost how much? $2.79 times 63. 3 times 9 is 2. 3 times 7 is, plus 2 is, 3 times 2 is, plus 2 is, mark off the 2, mark off the 2, mark off the 3, and put a 6 times 9 is, so put a 4, carry the 5. 6 times 7 is, plus 5 is, 7, carry the 4. 6 times 2 is, plus 4 is, 16. Add 7, 7, 15, carry the 1, 7, 1. How many decimal places? 2. So $174.77. But that is only for the paperback book. How much are magazines? 65 cents times how many? 34. 4 times 5 is, put a 0, carry the 2. 4 times 6 is, plus 2 is, carry the 2. 4 times 0 is,
0.
plus 2 is,
2.
mark off the 2, mark off the 4, and put a 0 to hold our spot. 3 times 5 is,
15.
carry the 1. 3 times 6 is, plus 1 is,
19.
carry the 1. 3 times 0 is,
0.
plus 1 is,
1.
5, 0, 11, 12, carry the 1, 2. How many decimal places? 2. So now we need to add $22.10 to $175.77. We use the what to keep everything in line? Decimal, right? Bring the decimal straight down. 7, 8, 7, 9, 1. So they earned $197.87. On Wednesday, the store sells 52 paperback books and 27 hardback books. Does the store earn more from the paperback books or the hardback books? So basically, okay, so these will be hardback books, and this will be paperback. Okay, so hardback or paperback, 52, how much is it? Okay, well, first of all, do we even have to show work on this? No, why not? Oh, actually we do, because I was reading that wrong. So paperback book. So how much is a paperback book? $2.79 times what? Times 52. Okay, so 9 times 2 is 18. Carry the 1. 2 times 7 is, plus 1 is, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is, plus 1 is, mark off the 1s, mark off the 2, put a 0 to hold our spot. 5 times 9 is, so put a 5, carry the 4. 5 times 7 is, plus 4 is, 5 times 2 is, 10 plus 3 is, so 8, 10, carry the 1, 15, carry the 1, 4, 1. How many decimal places? 2. So the paperback books cost $143.08. So how much is a hardback book? $5.40 times what? Times 27. Okay, so 7 times 0 is 7 times 4 is, okay, the 2, 7 times 5 is, plus 2 is, mark off the 2, mark off the 7, put a 0. 2 times 0 is, 2 times 4 is, 2 times 5 is, so 0, 8, 15, 1, 4, 1. How many decimal places? 2. So are those super close? Yes. Which one does the store earn more money from? The hardbacks, and only by how much change? 72 cents. Because this one was $145.80 and this one was $145.08. So basically 80 minus 8 is 72. So they earned 72 more cents on the hardback books, right? Okay. You structure the product of 23 times 589 equals 13,587. Explain how you can use the product to find the value of the expression 23 times 58 and 9/10. So basically, this one has all the same digits except for it has what? A decimal place. So the answer to this one would be what? You'd write the 1, 3, 5, 4, and then there should be a decimal, right? To add it in. Okay, explain how you can use the product to find the value of the expression 23 times 5 and 589 hundredths. So once again, we have all the same numbers, right? Okay, the only difference is we have a different place value. Okay, so how many decimals do we have on this one? 2. So we come over 2 spots, and our new number is 135 and 47 hundredths. So it's kind of like when we multiply times our units of 10, right? And we loop our decimal over, it just changes by how much we either increase or decrease our place value, correct? Okay,